I got an urgent text, microwave haifanyi. I rushed to TRM because they say they've got it all. Haraka haraka chini ya stairs, nikakimbia, nikaenda A-Zone Electronics and I found this microwave. Aya, wakati wa kulipa umefika, VIP treatment ndo hiyo, and then now it's time to test the microwave. As you can see, inazunguka vizuri. Kuna story ya kudefrost hapo. There's a special button for defrosting and then for normal microwave stuff. Hiyo kitu ni moto. Wacha nishike na handle. Okay, let's pour it. Can you see the steam? It's really hot, so the microwave works. Turudie repackaging. Haya, imagine imeletewa mpaka home. VIP ndio VIP. Time to fill the void. And that's where it's going to go. Unpackage it. Now we're ready. It's a win. And that's the end. Come and visit my B&B.